between the trees. You're going to come right up here.
You want to tape them?
Back, 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 back. Almost the front tires are almost flat. Keep going. Keep going. Whoa. Right from there.
Ready?
You okay, Max?
Ow.
Just a second. Okay. Bien. You're trying second or third gear. You need not enough speed, not enough momentum. Come on, Max.
If he comes this way, just stand behind the big tree. Can't go through the tree.
Want to come watch, Max?
I'm knocking down the tree.
Here we go. Break, 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 break. We'll stand with the trees here. You can't come through the tree, so you're good. Just stay there.
Ugh. It's like burning mud. Rubber. I want to get Daddy falling down on tape. It smells like burning tire and